primary threes. I do welcome you to our next lesson of English, and it is going to be about comprehension. What does it mean when I talk about comprehension? You should be knowing now how to read, understand, and attempt the questions. Are we together? Understanding, reading, and understanding. Are we together? So I have got for you a simple poem. We are going to read it together, and after again you also read alone on your hard copy. Are we together, children? That is good. We are going to read it. After understand it, after understanding it, now you write, you answer questions about the poem. Are we together, children? Yes. So the instructions are saying, read the poem and answer the questions that follow in full sentences. Are we together? So I'm going to read it to you. The poem goes, mosquitoes, mosquitoes, you are so bad to us. You make us sick all the time. You hide in stagnant water and very busy during night, spreading to us malaria. Mosquitoes, you are really bad insects. By Harriet P3. I'm repeating once more. Mosquitoes, mosquitoes, you are so bad to us. You make us sick all the time. You hide in stagnant water and very busy during night, spreading to us malaria. Mosquitoes, you are really bad insects. By Harriet P3. Have you heard my poem, my short poem? It is as short as that. And remember, the questions are there. And you should know those questions which tell you to write in full sentences. I have just given you some examples here. Question 1, what is the title of the poem? Then question 2, write the title of the poem. Are they the same questions? What is the title of the poem? Write the title of the poem. They are different questions. Are we together? Yes. So here, when they tell you what, I told you when they tell you what, children of primary 3, you should know that you have to write in a full sentence. And I told you that all those questions which need you to write in full sentences always end with a question mark. Is that one clear? Then that is good. Then those ones which need just direct answers end with full stops. And I gave you some of the words which guide us right in full sentences. We have what? I shall not get tired of reminding you. What? Where? How? Yes? Who? And others. And others. Where? And so on. What, where, how, who, yes, they have to end with a question mark, and you have to write in a full sentence. Now look at number 1. What is the title of the poem? Can you try that? Remember, we are doing tests now. Every month we shall be doing what? A test at least to test you, yes? But most people are failing when it comes to stories, when it comes to poems. Why? They don't know how to write in full sentences, which is bad. So here when they say what is the title of the poem, say the title of the poem is, you put the answer. Are we together? The title of the poem is dash. Then here they're saying, write the title of the poem. Remember they're just saying write. So you simply just look for the title and you also what? Write. Write the title of the poem. What was it all about? It was about mosquitoes, isn't it? So just come and say mosquitoes. Mosquitoes. As simple as that. You underline your answer. Yes? Write the title of the poem, mosquitoes. What is the title of the poem? The title of the poem is, you put the answer. Let's move to another example here. Who wrote the poem? Who wrote the poem? Remember our poem? Let me repeat it. Mosquitoes, mosquitoes, you are so bad to us. You make us sick all the time. You hide in stagnant water and very busy during night, spreading to us malaria. Mosquitoes, you are really bad insects. By Harriet P3. Now who wrote that poem? Good. I had somebody saying Harriet, isn't it? Which is good. But now, do you know how other people do? They'll just say by Harriet here. By Harriet. Is it like this? By Harriet? No. Remember, you're supposed to write in a full sentence. Yes, don't say by Harriet. Just say Harriet wrote the poem. Harriet wrote the poem. I sing and then we go full stop. Harriet wrote the poem. Is that one clear, children? Yes. So whenever they give you questions after a given story, after a given poem, after a given dialogue, you are supposed to read, understand, then you go and you attempt questions and follow those ones which need you to write in full sentences and those ones which need direct answers. Are we there? Thank you for listening to me. Let me see you in another lesson. Thank you.